Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Aniki. So guys, in this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to tint natural dreadlock, and this is my client hair. So first thing, if you are to dye natural dreadlock, first thing you need to do, you portion the hair. So this is how I portioned my. Can you see? You use rubber band or you use any kind of thing you can use to portion it. Just make sure you portion it the way I portioned this particular one. So after that, so this particular one is tint already, but my client wants it, she just wants to extend the dye, like she wants it more. So I just go ahead and mix the powder dye with the developer. After that, I begin to apply the dye on each portion. Can you see, guys? So after applying it, make sure you use your hand to massage it thoroughly. Yeah, you use your hand to massage it thoroughly. Then you wrap it up with nylon. You can also use glove. As you can see, I'm using glove. So you can use glove or you can use nylon. So the reason why you're wrapping it up with nylon, just to avoid it staining the other dread. Can you see? So that's how I keep going. Please guys, let me know in the comment section if this video is helpful to you guys, and please leave a comment in the comment section. Share this video to your friends and family. And if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial, like I keep saying it all the time, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to upload your request. So guys, that's how you keep going. Now I'm done with this particular dialing method. So you just leave it for like 5 minutes, then you begin to unravel it. Then this is how you wash it out. So you don't wash it all together. You first of all wash the dye part, you wash it away, like you wash each portion, you wash it out before you go ahead and you wash it all together. Can you see, guys? So the reason why you are doing it, so that the dye will not stain the remaining parts. That's why you need to do it this way. So after that, you go ahead and you wash everything all together. Can you see, guys? Make sure you wash it thoroughly so that the excess products, I mean the chemical, will go out of the hair. So make sure you wash it thoroughly, and while you are washing it, you only use shampoo, do not use conditioner. So guys, this is the outcome of the washing. Now I'm done. You just go ahead and you apply your dread treatments, then you dry it. Don't forget to apply your hair mousse, as you all know what mousse does in a braid and in dread. Can you see, guys? So after that, I just decide to style this particular one because my client doesn't want to relock the hair. She just said she wants something simple and nice. Then I decide to cornrow the thread for her, and that's what I'm doing here. Can you see, guys? So let me know in the comment section if you love the video, and if this tutorial is helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment, give the video a big thumbs up, share to your friends and family. Can you see, guys? So now I just cornrow the hair all back. Can you see? Then I secure it to avoid it losing. Secure it with rubber band, and that's all about this lovely tutorial, as you can see. So I'm trying to arrange it well. I'm arranging it with my hand. Can you see, guys? So when you are done, you go ahead, you apply mousse again, apply your washing, and this is the final look of the dread. Can you see? My client actually love her hair. As you can see, she's trying to make a snap with the hair. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you.